Hey, everyone heard about Henry's encounter. See? None of us were lying, Henry. Whatever. Alright, guys, seriously. We have to put an end to Timothy's madness. I'm right here. Come get me, if you wish. Wait, he's getting away! Good luck catching me. Edward heard chuffing sounds. Alright, guys, don't worry. I'm pretty sure he's on this one. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to chase him. I'm the number one for a reason. Nothing scares me. What are you sure about that? Because last time I checked, he's getting away. Alright, I have to chase him. Switch the turntable. Sure. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to catch him. Hey, that! You can't get me, blue galloping sausage. Edward was waiting. Oh, it's Edward! Move out the way! No, get off of me, you absolute buffoon! Don't worry, I'm going to get him to Edward. No! No! Get your dirty buffers off of me! Don't worry, Edward and Thomas. I'm going to help. We need to get as much grip on Timothy as possible. Ching! No! Get all your dirty buffers off of me! Don't worry, guys. I'm going to help you too, even though I'm scared of this Timothy fellow. Come on, guys. We need to get him, even though I'm derailed. We're all getting derailed. Come on, we have to get him. No, you're squishing me. Stop. Prepare to go down. Come on, Gordon. It's your turn.
How long have you guys been dating? 2 years. You have been dating for 6 months. I just can't.
All right. Gordon came in for the hit. Prepare to go down. We need Donald and Douglas. Don't worry, guys. Scottish twins to the rescue. Wake up, James. Get out of me! King, come on, Donnie. It's your time. Last but not least, to top hatch number 9 engine. Donald! No, please! If you squish me anymore, I'm going to die! Sorry, Timothy, but it's the end of the line. Well, looks like he got sent to the back rooms. We did it, guys. We defeated Timothy. And Toby and Emily, how do you keep having accidents and damages? Oh, come on. It was only a derailment. Yeah, we're fine. Whatever. We defeated Timothy, and that's all that matters. Yeah. I hope he never comes back to this railway. Same here. Come on, guys. Let's all go and continue doing our jobs. But first, let's get Emily and Toby back on the rails. Yeah!